Let's meet the birds. The first bird we are going to meet is parrot. Parrots are very smart animals, and some of them can imitate human speech. They have colorful and beautiful feathers. Beautiful feathers! Hello, eagle. Eagles are some of the largest birds, and they have amazing eyesight. And the next bird is ostrich. The flightless ostrich is the world's largest bird. They can run faster than all other birds. Let's repeat together. Do you remember which one is the parrot? Yes, this is the parrot. So, where is the eagle? Here it is. Well done. Which one is the ostrich? Here, the ostrich is in the middle. Welcome, dear stork. Storks are large, long-legged, long-necked wading birds. They migrate to warm places to avoid the worst of winter. Hello, cute penguin. Did you know that penguins are also birds? Penguins live only in the southern hemisphere. The last bird that we are going to meet is woodpecker. Woodpeckers are known for tapping on tree trunks in order to find insects living in crevices in the bark. Let's repeat together. Which one is the stork? Yes, it is in the middle. So, where is the penguin? Here it is. Alright then, which one is the woodpecker? Yes, this is the woodpecker. Bye bye, kids. See you soon.